Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining today's meeting. We're here to finalize the details for the baby gender reveal event we're hosting at the hotel. This is a unique and exciting opportunity for us, so let's get everything in order. Let's start with the agenda. Fernandez, could you walk us through the objective for today?
Sure, Antonio. Our main goal are to confirm the event date, discuss the venue layout, decide on the theme and decor, finalize the catering menu, and assign roles for the event. We also need to make sure that the event runs smoothly and everyone knows what their responsibilities are.
Sounds good. Regarding the date, do we have confirmation from the clients on when they want to hold the reveal? Is it still set for next month?
Yes, it confirmed. The event is scheduled for May 15. They want it to be Sunday afternoon, which gave us enough time to prepare everything. Yes, it confirmed. The event is scheduled for May 15. They want it to be Sunday afternoon, which gave us enough time to prepare everything.
Perfect. May 15 works. Now, about the venue, do we know what room we'll be using for the event? Is it the ballroom or the garden area?
The client has requested a garden area. It's the most appropriate for the number of guests they're expecting. They anticipating around 100 attendees, so we need a space that can accommodate them comfortably, with room for a stage and some interactive activities.
Good call. The garden area should be perfect for that. But what about the layout? Are we going with a traditional setting arrangement or do they want something more interactive? I was thinking maybe we could set up the setting in a semicircle facing this stage for better engagement.
I like that idea. It will create a more intimate atmosphere and ensure everyone can see the gender reveal clearly. We could also have a designated area for food and drinks at the back of keep things flowing.
Speaking of the food, have we decided on the catering menu yet? The gender reveal event will likely have some them kids like pink and blue cupcakes or a cake to match the reveal day.
Yes, the client mentioned they wanted a light, fun menu that reflect the event theme. Something that can be passed around, like mini sandwiches, cupcakes, and mocktails. Fernandez, have you spoken with the catering team about this?
Yes, I have. They prepared to offer a variety of options that can be customized based on the theme. We could also have some neutral gender snacks, but also a specialty item in pink and blue. I'll send you the final menu option for everyone.
I also think we should consider live entertainment or music, maybe a DJ or a small band to keep the atmosphere lively. Do we have the budget for that?
We should be able to accommodate that in the budget. It's definitely a nice touch and it will keep our energy high throughout the event.
What about the aqua reveal moment? How are we handling that? Should we have a countdown or something more creative?
I think we could incorporate a balloon pop or a confetti blast. Something visual impactful, but we'll need to coordinate that closely with the client to make sure that it aligns with the vision.
I like the balloon pop idea, but we'll need to plan the timing carefully so it doesn't disrupt the flow of the event. We could also have a countdown on the screen before the reveal to build excitement.
We can also have a short program leading to the reveal, maybe games or speeches to keep everyone engaged before big moment.
Yes, absolutely. To summarize, we'll finalize the catering menu by Friday. Fernandez, please share that with the group. Manzano, make sure the venue layout is mapped out. And also Casiano, let's finalize the event schedule. UC, please handle the entertainment and make sure we have the DJ or band book. I'll follow up with the client on the gender reveal details and confirm the balloon pop-up. We'll reconvene next week to make sure everything in place.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. We're all set to make this a memorable event.
Our A game. Thanks everyone for your input today. Let's make this baby gender reveal success. And this is the final that we did in the venue. The outcome was all success.